You are welcome to have as much fun as you want, adding your own sources and customizing.
Expert how-tos.
How to use your sources in Streamlabs. There are so many options. It can be a little overwhelming, but that's okay. That's why I'm here. Under Streamlabs OBS, once you're signed into your platform of choice, you're gonna actually see the standard sources, which is everything that you're pulling into the stream to make it yours, to make it customizable. And then on the right, you're actually gonna see the platform widgets. The platform widgets are things like your chat, your goal, your alert box, things that are associated to your platform. And in my case, it's my Twitch platform. And you can see my alert box. I can set a follower goal, a bit goal, your chat box. Say I wanted to have my viewers on stream. You can see their interaction, their engagement, and their chatting. So I'm gonna add the Twitch chat box. I'm gonna stick with the default settings just to be simple and just hit done. And then it's gonna be up here. So anytime someone comments, it will show up in the chat box. Next could be a media source. So if you wanted something moving or a media source that really brought your stream to life, you can go ahead and add a GIF or any of these settings, an MP4, a MOV, AVI, anything like that. So once you're ready, you hit add source, and then it'll ask for the file. So this is gonna be read locally off of your PC. In this case, I wanna add a just chatting media source. And now it's gonna show my own customized logo so my viewers can see that.